In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Facebook page in 2024 and get a blue tick on Facebook page. Getting verified on Facebook is important because the blue checkmark helps show followers that your page is authentic and officially represents a real brand, business, or public presence. It can build trust and make your page look more credible. In general, there are two ways to get that blue tick. The first is through a Meta verified subscription, which is the faster option and usually starts at around $14.99 per month. The second is applying for verification for free if your business or brand is considered notable. In this tutorial, we're focusing on the Meta verified method since it's typically the quickest and most direct path. To begin, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook in your web browser and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the account that manages the page or profile you want to verify. That part is important because if you're using the wrong account, you may not see the right verification options. Once you're inside Facebook, go to the menu or settings area. Depending on whether you're on mobile or desktop, the layout may look a little different, but the goal is the same. Look for the option labeled Meta Verified and select it. If you don't see it right away, you may need to search through the account settings or page-related settings until it appears. After that, choose the page or profile you want to verify. Facebook may show you eligible accounts connected to your login, so just select the correct one carefully before moving on. Next, follow the on-screen steps to confirm your payment. Since Meta Verified is a subscription service, you'll need to complete that purchase before continuing with the verification process. Take a moment to review the plan details so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. Once payment is confirmed, you'll be asked to upload a clear government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the image is readable, well-lit, and not blurry. This helps Facebook verify your identity more smoothly and can reduce the chances of delays. And that's the process. As a quick tip, always make sure the information on your account matches your identification as closely as possible before you submit anything. That can make the review process easier. After submission, all that's left is to wait for Facebook to review your request. That's how to verify a Facebook page in 2024 and work toward getting a blue tick through Meta Verified.